According to vidIQ, this channel is already pulling in close to $2,000 a month, which, yeah, pause for a second. That matters because the channel is barely 2 months old. The channel is called Can't Breaks, and in roughly 60 days, it has already crossed 1 million total views and is racing toward 18,000 subscribers. And this is the part that should make you uncomfortable in a good way. Literally every video on the channel is pulling hundreds of thousands of views. The top video is hovering around 300,000 views, which for a 2-month-old channel is frankly absurd. Like, algorithms should not be allowing this level of velocity. Yet, here we are. So naturally, your brain is probably doing that thing where it goes, okay, what are they doing that everyone else is missing, right? And the answer is actually simpler than you want it to be, which is why most people ignore it. They are posting short, motivational videos built on anime clips, layered with voiceover captions, music, and that is basically the entire stack. No cinematic editing, no 12-hour timelines, no obsession with transitions. Most videos land in the 2 to 3 minute range, which is important because that tells you the incentive structure here. This is not about art. This is about throughput and retention. And if you stick around until the end, because do not skip this part, I'm going to show you how to recreate this system without copying them directly, because copying is how you cap your upside. And I want to be very clear about that. Copying works until it doesn't. The goal is to understand the machine, not cosplay the output. So what we're going to do in this video is walk through the exact step-by-step workflow to create this style of video using free tools while still giving you room to differentiate so you don't blend into the motivational anime sludge pool that everyone else is swimming in. Trust me, that part matters. Now, real quick preview so your brain knows where we're going.
You are running out of time. Not someday, not later, right now. And the scariest part is this. You feel it, but you keep ignoring it. Every day looks the same. You wake up tired. You reach for your phone. You scroll. You consume. You promise yourself you will start tomorrow. Weeks pass. Months pass. Years pass. And deep down, you know you are wasting your life.
I'm going to show you exactly how to generate the ideas, the scripts, the visuals, the voiceover, and assemble the final video end-to-end using AI without overthinking it. And yes, this is beginner-friendly, but there are a few advanced levers in here that most tutorials conveniently forget to mention, so stick around. Now, step 1, video idea generation. And yeah, I know everyone wants to skip this, but do not, because ideas are leverage. So here's what you do. Go to the Notion prompt file, copy the idea generation prompt, paste it directly into ChatGPT, hit enter, and then stop touching things. Within seconds, ChatGPT will spit out multiple viral-style motivational video ideas. And before you ask, no, you do not need to tweak the prompt every time. The whole point is consistency. Now, once the list appears, your only job is selection. Pick one idea. Do not Frankenstein 3 together. That's how you kill momentum. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing one idea and locking it because execution beats optimization every single time. Step 2, script generation. This is where most people either overcomplicate or undercook. So go back to the Notion template, copy the script generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, hit enter. Now, this model is already behaving like a professional motivational scriptwriter, which is the only reason this works at scale. Paste in the idea you selected, hit enter again, and within seconds, you get a 3 to 4 minute script that's structured for retention, not poetry. And yes, read it once quickly. Do not edit it yet. Editing comes later. Systems first, polish second. Step 3, generate image prompts. Now we need visuals that actually align with the script without you manually thinking through every shot. So go back to Notion, copy the scene generation prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, then copy a small chunk of the script. Not the whole thing, just enough to demonstrate. Paste that in, hit enter, and ChatGPT will automatically break the narration into scene-based image prompts. This is doing cognitive labor for you, which is the entire point of using AI here. Step 4, create images. This is where the quality jump happens, so pay attention. Open Whisk AI, go back to Notion, copy the Whisk AI prompt, paste it into Whisk, and pause. You do not need to rewrite this long prompt every time. Here's why. The first line controls the character. Things like hairstyle, outfit, body type, hoodie versus plain clothes. If you want variation, you change it here. If not, leave it alone. The second line controls the image style, and this stays exactly the same every single time. Consistency is the goal. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene description, paste it into Whisk, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, hit enter. If the image is not perfect, don't spiral, just regenerate, because perfection is not required. Consistency is. Now, this first image is critical because it becomes the anchor image. So once it looks acceptable, drag and drop it into the subject field inside Whisk. Whisk analyzes it, and from this point forward, every image uses the same character, which is how you get that clean, professional look without manual character design. Once analyzed, delete all prompts, paste scene descriptions one by one, enable precise reference, generate each image, keep what works, discard what does not. Repeat until all scenes are done. And yes, if this is helpful, drop a like and subscribe, because I'm not sugarcoating this stuff. Step 6, turn images into videos. Now we add motion without ruining the vibe. Use Grock AI, which gives you up to 20 videos per day for free. Go to the Imagine section, upload your image. Do not use the default motion prompt, it's way too aggressive. Instead, go back to Notion, copy one of the video generation prompts, paste it in, hit enter. If the first prompt looks weird, use the second one. Once it looks good, click the 3 dots, upscale it for quality, then download. Repeat for every image. Step 7, voiceover generation. This part is simpler than people make it. Go to Google AI Studio, log in with any Gmail, select single speaker audio, choose the same voice every time, consistency again, go back to the document, copy the style prompt, paste it into style instructions, hit run. Listen once, if it sounds good, download the audio. If it does not, adjust the pacing slightly and rerun. Step 8, editing. And this is where everyone relaxes too much, but don't, because small details compound. Open CapCut or whatever editor you like, import all video clips and the voiceover. Drag the audio to the timeline first, listen through, delete long pauses, tighten the flow, make it sound human, not rushed. Then place video clips in order matching the narration. Now add a subtle zoom effect. Keyframe at the start, keyframe at the end, slight scale up, alternate zoom in, zoom out across clips. This creates motion without chaos. Add one video effect across the entire timeline. Nothing flashy, just texture. Then captions. Go to text, auto captions, generate. Customize the style, center them on screen because that's what performs. Add background music from Suno or Pixabay. Drop the volume so the voice stays dominant. Export your video.
You are running out of time. Not someday, not later, right now. And the scariest part is this. You feel it, but you keep ignoring it. Every day looks the same. You wake up tired. You reach for your phone. You scroll. You consume. You promise yourself you will start tomorrow. Weeks pass. Months pass. Years pass. And deep down, you know you are wasting your life. You are distracted, not broken. You are comfortable, not cursed. You are scared, not incapable. Here's the hard truth. No one is coming to save you. No motivation video, no book, no mentor will do the work for you. Your life is the result of what you do every day, not what you think about doing. Another truth? Time does not care about your feelings. It moves forward, whether you act or not. And every hour you waste scrolling, sleeping late, avoiding discomfort is an hour you never get back.
And before you disappear, yes, create a thumbnail. Head back to ChatGPT, type in one prompt sentence, give me a thumbnail prompt for this video. Copy the result, go to Whisk AI, paste it, generate, choose the best option, download, set as thumbnail, and you're done. If you follow this system and add your own creative angle, you're not just copying a channel, you're building a repeatable machine. So, drop a comment if you're ready to actually execute, and I'll see you in the next video.